Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reduce video file size in DaVinci Resolve. This is particularly useful when you need to save storage space or make your videos easier to share without taking up too much bandwidth. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once you have your project loaded and ready, you'll need to navigate to the export section where all the magic happens for finalizing your video. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Deliver. This is the dedicated workspace in DaVinci Resolve where you control all your export settings and prepare your video for output. Switching to this tab gives you access to various options that determine your final video's quality and file size. Now, on the left side of the Deliver page, you'll see a list of settings. Look for the option that says Codec. This setting controls how your video is compressed and encoded. By default, it might be set to something like H.264, but you're going to change it to H.265. The H.265 codec is more efficient at compression, which means it can significantly reduce your file size while attempting to maintain reasonable quality. Click on the codec dropdown and select H.265 from the available options. Next, you need to locate the quality setting, which should also be visible in the same settings panel on the left. Click on the quality drop-down menu and set it to either low or least, depending on how much you want to reduce the file size. Setting the quality lower will compress your video even further, making the file smaller and more manageable for storage or sharing. Once you've adjusted both the codec and quality settings, it's time to prepare your video for rendering. Look for the button that says Add to Render Queue and click it. This action places your video in the queue with all the settings you've just configured, ready to be processed and exported. Keep in mind that while this method will definitely help reduce your video file size, it does come with a trade-off. Lowering the quality settings means your final video won't look as crisp or sharp as it would at higher quality settings. The compression reduces the amount of data stored in the video, which can result in visible quality loss, especially in scenes with a lot of detail or motion. And that's it. You've successfully configured DaVinci Resolve to reduce your video file size by adjusting the codec and quality settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.